Thursday. Hey, you guys, just checking in. Hi, Insta friends. So it's Thursday's Truthful Humor, and starting next week, I'm going to just do some trench thoughts or something kind of short. So just got back from my house trying to turn it into a home. Hey, sweetheart, how are you? Good to see you on here. I'm doing. Keep trying to remind myself that so many things in life are processes, right? Anyways, so I'm just popping on here today. Want to be a little bit more personal than I was on Tuesday. This has been a rough week, but I'm grateful, really grateful, and thought, you know what? It's always time for a little giggle. So let me give you Thursday's Truthful Humor, where we pull a little bit of truth from a little bit of humor. And my little tagline on this one is to be internally clean is to be externally armed. Of course, I remember you, sweetheart. So again, to be internally clean is to be externally armed. So here comes the funny. So there's a little old cleaning woman that went into the local church. And when the invitation was given at the end of the service, she went forward. She wanted to become a member. That's old school church. Nowadays, it'd become up to accept the Lord. But anyways, the pastor listened as she told him how she had accepted Jesus and she wanted to be baptized and become a member of the church. Well, the pastor thought to himself, oh my, she's so unkempt. She even smells a little. And her fingernails are not clean. She picks up garbage. She cleans toilets. Well, what would the members think of her? He told her, you know what? You need to go home and pray about this and then decide. So the following week, here she comes again, determined. She told the pastor she had prayed about it, and she still wanted to be baptized. I have passed this church, she shared with him, over and over and over again. It is so beautiful, and I truly want to become a member. Again, the pastor tells her, go home, pray about this some more. A few weeks later, while out eating at the restaurant, the pastor sees this little old lady. He didn't want her to think that he was ignoring her, so he went ahead and he approached her and he said, hey, I haven't seen you for a while. Is everything okay? Oh, yes, she said. I talked with Jesus and he told me not to worry about becoming a member of your church. He did? Oh, yes. He said he hasn't even been able to get into your church yet, and he's been trying for years. Oh, ouch. There are so many truths here, you guys. Seriously, we could pull from this little funny several of them. But let's go ahead and stick to, how about loving our neighbor as ourselves, even when they're not as clean as we'd like them to be? For more encouragement, check out trenchclassesunited.com. And thanks for joining me today, you guys. Go ahead and share this, and let's spread a little bit of laughter, a little bit of giggle, and a little bit of encouragement for the journey. Take care. God bless.